So, you're thinking about trying PocketGuard, huh? But here's the burning question. Does PocketGuard offer a free trial? Let's dive right in and find out. PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that helps you track your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. It's a great tool to help you take control of your finances. But before you commit, you might be wondering if you can test it out without any risk. Unfortunately, as of now, PocketGuard doesn't offer a traditional free trial. This means you can't test out all the features for a limited period without paying. However, there's a silver lining. Basic features are free. You can still use some of PocketGuard's basic features for free. This includes tracking your spending, setting budgets, and getting insights into your financial habits. Premium features and free trial alternatives. To access the full range of features, you'll need to subscribe to a premium plan. While there isn't a direct free trial, you might consider these alternatives. Free trials with other services. Some banks and financial institutions offer free trials of premium budgeting apps like PocketGuard as part of their services. Check with your bank to see if they have any such offers. Limited time promotions. Keep an eye out for limited time promotions or discounts on PocketGuard's premium plans. These can be a great way to try out the app at a reduced cost. So, should you give PocketGuard a try? That ultimately depends on your financial needs and goals. If you're looking for a simple way to track your spending and set budgets, the free version might be enough. However, if you want to unlock advanced features like bill negotiation, investment tracking, and personalized financial advice, you'll need to consider a premium subscription. Remember, before making a decision, it's always a good idea to weigh the costs and benefits. Consider how much you're willing to spend on a budgeting app and whether the additional features are worth the price. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.